What? Yes.
Hi guys, so William wasn't here, so I'm going to tell you some stuff. Do you want to hear a joke? What two colors do you want? So blue and green, okay? Blue says need a drink, and green says you're great. And white and red say, well, the red says, do you read? And white says, 6, 7. And also the blue one said, when I already said the blue one. And, oh yeah, right, the black one says, it's joke. And also all of them says,